He's videoing taping the trains. There's a train going by.
Yeah, it's 277. Q277-31 westbound, track 1.
Rail
3, 4, 5.
His ideal job is to operate the locomotive.
Yeah, so alright, go ahead and do that stuff now. And then can we fix that one tire right now?
Yeah, you want to do those 2 tires then right now?
No.
Just the one.
Just the one?
Just the one tire, let's fix it up.
Alright.
For right now.
Which tire is that one side?
It's the left front.
Left front, alright. We'll take care of it for you.
Okay.
Alright?
So I don't know if I gotta get the engines. Yes, I'm trying to go ahead and fix that one tile. Yeah, like I said in the last video, if you're looking for a new Dodge,
So Larry,
Dodge truck or Dodge car,
we were talking about putting on that,
come to 755 Rockville Park. Ask for Larry.
and you said the last time I asked that it would interfere with the turning radius.
It depends on where they put it at. It all depends on if first of all, if they can do 2, because you have one on there now, correct? I don't see they would even have to lower. I've never seen it.
Well, I'm thinking in terms of welding it to the one that's there.
But I think that would impact him. Yes, I do.
Well, I could understand if we're talking about going off-road, going over rocks, and then it would adversely affect that.
This is what I would recommend. I mean, I'm being honest because you're talking about doing something different. I would talk to Mopar Parts, and see what they say.
Well,
because I don't want to do nothing that would void your warranty.
That's true.
Everything you do with a Wrangler, you got to check and make sure it doesn't void the warranty. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, just make sure.
Because I find it, now if I could put in something, the nice thing about the truck is that it's got that bar here, okay? There's nothing like that in Jeep.
No, you can get that.
And why didn't you tell me I couldn't get that?
No, I've never said you. Oh, I can't sell it to you because I can't sell it. You got to go down to Trip Trucks and install one of them too.
Trip Trucks is a place, I think that's what he was talking about.
Yeah.
We're getting that step unit.
Yeah, Trip Trucks can do it all day.
And this Larry Pine
It's going down, baby. Dark Cars Jeep Rockville. If you want to buy a Jeep, buy it from me. That's what it is. What it is.
Yep, or a Dodge Ram.
Jeep, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. Come get it from me. I'm the #1 guy in the #1 store in the #1 state of the nation. Please. Like that, that's it. Larry Payne.
Yeah, that's Larry Payne, guys. He's a good guy. He helps me with my truck, and he helps my dad with a Jeep. Yeah,
That's it. We make it happen.
he's a good guy, guys. He really is. And this is the latest, man.